Gemini ES-210MXBLU-ST PA-system review. Complete all-in-one kit that saves hours.
You're standing in a parking lot at 6 p.m., carrying speaker cables in one hand, a mixer in the other, trying to balance a mic stand under your arm while your event starts in 20 minutes. A mobile DJ I know missed his daughter's recital because he spent 90 minutes untangling cables and hunting for the right adapter. That sinking feeling. Sound familiar? Drop a comment if setup chaos has ever stolen your time.
Here's the hidden cost. Every event means 3 trips to the car, 5 separate bags to track, and 30 minutes of setup stress while guests wait and watch. You're losing weekends to gear anxiety instead of enjoying the moment. Time vanishes. An event planner told me she almost quit after forgetting speaker cables at a wedding ceremony. Catastrophic silence, furious bride. What if one bag held everything perfectly?
Then I discovered the Gemini portable PA system ES-210MXBLU-ST, and everything clicked into place instantly. Don't just buy any portable PA system. Make sure it has hidden storage compartments and a complete all-in-one design so you never suffer from scattered gear, missing cables, and multi-trip setup nightmares again. This breakthrough is elegantly simple. 2 10-inch speakers with rear storage compartments hold the powered 6-channel mixer, all cables, and the included microphone. Everything packs into the speakers themselves. One person, one trip, 48.5 pounds total. Setup takes under 15 minutes. Here's the bonus. Bluetooth 5.0, USB, SD card, and FM radio all run on a separate audio path with dedicated volume, keeping all 6 mixer channels completely free for your microphones and instruments. A karaoke host told me she connects 3 singer mics and streams backing tracks simultaneously without losing a single channel. Game-changing workflow. The 48-volt phantom power supports professional condenser microphones, elevating vocal clarity beyond basic dynamic mics. Speaker stands extend to 74 inches for optimal room coverage. The 600-watt system fills indoor spaces up to 150 people with clear, powerful sound. Perfect for mobile DJs, karaoke, weddings, churches, and presentations.
Let me show you what your event day looks like with this system. You arrive, pull the mixer and cables from the hidden rear compartments, unfold the stands, connect everything, and you're playing music in 12 minutes flat. Guests impressed, stress eliminated. Your workflow transforms completely. Bluetooth streams dinner music while you use all 6 mixer channels for ceremony microphones, toast announcements, and live musicians without channel conflicts or compromises. A mobile DJ mentioned, "I've done over 50 gigs with this system and setup has never taken longer than 15 minutes. It's changed my entire business workflow." A church volunteer said, "Our pastor's voice comes through crystal clear with the phantom-powered condenser mic, and we pack everything away in 5 minutes after service." Independent reviewers consistently praise the balanced sound quality, noting clear vocals and respectable bass response for venues under 150 people without needing a separate subwoofer. Worried about investing in a complete system versus piecing together components separately? Calculate the time and frustration you've lost troubleshooting compatibility issues, hunting for the right cable, or arriving at events missing critical pieces. This eliminates all of it. Which feature transforms your setup most? The hidden storage, the free mixer channels, or the phantom power flexibility? The 600-watt output delivers clean sound without distortion, even at high volumes. Reality check. This isn't stadium-level power, but for small to medium events, it's perfectly matched.
You already know what this means. Faster setup, 0 missing cables, and complete confidence at every event with the Gemini portable PA system ES-210MXBLU-ST. Join thousands of mobile DJs, karaoke hosts, and event planners already saving hours with this complete all-in-one kit. Setup simplicity matters now. Link in the description. You've spent enough time making multiple trips, untangling cables, and stressing over scattered gear that slows you down and steals your peace. This is the system that finally works with you, not against you. Your next stress-free event starts here.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.